Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and starting sign-in. Check that your iPad is on the latest iPad OS and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular so FaceTime can register. Open Settings, tap your name to verify the Apple ID. This ties your FaceTime identity to the device. Once done, scroll to FaceTime and turn the switch on. Make sure a reachable phone number or email is selected under "You can be reached by FaceTime at." This ensures others can call you immediately. Now configure the details that control how calls appear and behave. In FaceTime settings, choose your caller ID. Pick a phone number or primary email so recipients recognize you. Also enable FaceTime live photos if you want snapshots. Make sure camera and microphone permissions are allowed so audio and video work. Once permissions are set, open Contacts or the FaceTime app to add contacts or search for someone, and place a quick test call to verify audio, video, and connection quality. Finish by validating the full experience. Make an outgoing call and ask a friend to call you to confirm incoming calls work. Check front and back camera switching, speaker, and mic levels so you know what to adjust during real calls. If FaceTime fails, first toggle FaceTime off and on and restart the iPad. This resolves registration glitches. If problems persist, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings and sign back in. This refreshes credentials and usually restores FaceTime functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.